Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.